Okay everyone, first off I wanted to apologize for not getting a video out last week. Working at a college the week leading into the fall semester, actually the 2 weeks leading into the fall semester, and the first week of classes are incredibly busy and I just didn't have time, honestly.
Pushed to build the bus before Labor Day weekend.
Yeah. So I do have some news. We are officially ready to go to the Wisconsin DMV. We believe we have met all the requirements. So let's take a look around and I'll show you what we've done. Okay, so the first requirement that we had to meet is it could not be school bus yellow. Now, clearly you can see that it's not done. It is primed. The top is more done than the rest. But it is not school bus yellow. So as we walk around, you can see it's bleeding through yellow. You can see that. You can still, if you look close, see school bus up there. But it's not yellow. And this side of the bus actually got more primer, so it's in a little bit better shape. And then we'll talk around here, and you can see in the back of the bus. So even the back is painted as well. If we open up the garage, you can see we do have you can see we do have something hanging down here for a little bit of privacy. That is not a requirement for DMV, but it is a requirement for us. So as we come around the other side, we will go inside and take a look. So you are going to see a bunch of stuff kind of here in the front, and this was mostly just moved so we could get pictures for the DMV. But there is our kitchen. We have a stove, we have a sink that pumps water, and a gray water tank. We also have down here a fire alarm. So next to the kitchen, we have framed in our shower. So the shower is going to be right here. And then next to that, with a half wall in between, is our composting toilet. The next requirement by the Wisconsin DMV. And then as we come to the back, we have a queen-size bed built on a platform with storage underneath. We do have curtains up in the back here for privacy. Paula did a fantastic job of getting those things for us. We do have a little bit of storage that came out of the camper van, and then next to that is our refrigerator and our air conditioner, and you can see it is vented out the window there. So that takes care of all the requirements for the state of Wisconsin, but for us we needed a place for Paula to sit, so we've actually been working on, we framed out a bench that will have seat belts that come through the back there, and so Paula will have a safe place to sit as we travel. Eventually we're going to try to get away where we can mount a chair up next to the driver's seat so she can ride next to me. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. Wish us luck. This is going to come out on Tuesday, so this afternoon actually we will be at the DMV. So maybe you'll see something on Instagram, whether we made it or not, a thumbs up. Yeah, that is the goal. Get it registered. Then we can, I already lined up an insurance agent to get insurance on it.
Jake.
Yep, Jake from State Farm. And then we got to get a hitch put on the back, and we got to finish up a couple of the travel requirements. I also have a backup camera I need to get installed. So you'll see some of that coming up soon. So remember, travel, explore, and live life to its fullest. Okay, so we are at the Taste of Wisconsin here on the shores of Lake Michigan in Kenosha, Wisconsin. This is a 3-day event held annually in Kenosha. It is a fundraiser for the Kiwanis. There are about 5 or 6 stages, and they have music running all weekend, and the performers donate all of their time. This is a free event to get in, and then there are probably 30 or more food vendors out here. The vendors have all paid to be here. But just give you a little look around. We'll walk back this behind the acoustic stage. There's a rock stage over there. There's a beer garden. There are vendors all over the place. And again, all the performers donate their time. My first experience here was about 10 years ago. The Boy Scouts, my Boy Scout troop came out here as a fundraiser making fresh squeezed lemonade. They are still here. They're down at the other end. I had one of their lemonades. It is still fantastic. It is a very simple recipe. It is fresh squeezed lemon. It is water. It is sugar. It is ice. But they do a great job with it. So there are vendors all over the place here. You've got some bouncy houses, bouncy castles back this way for the kids. But if you're ever in the Wisconsin area towards the end of July, this is a fantastic event if you like live music. And there are lots and lots of different types of music. So we'll take a look at this stage over here. I'm not sure who's playing right now.
So this song is just kind of about trying to figure out what's next after something big like graduating from college or high school or whatever. So this song is called Losing My Mind, and I hope you like it. With my mind about what's wrong and what is right. Do I stay or do I go away from here? It just feels so comfortable. It's the only place that I have called my home. It's hard to move and you just don't know, and I just don't know. I'm the only one who's looking out for me. At least that's how it seems sometimes. I think I'm losing my mind. Oh, I'm losing my mind. Oh, yeah, I'm losing my mind. I'm sick of all this back and forth. Yeah, it's like I'm closing all the doors stuck here. 'Cause I'm the only one who's looking out for me. At least that's how it seems sometimes. Oh, I think I'm losing my mind. Oh, I'm losing my mind. Oh, yeah, I'm losing my mind. Looking for a home, not a hometown. Trying to find a way that you go now. Looking for a home, not a hometown. Trying to find a way that you go now. Looking for a home, not a hometown. Trying to find a way that you go now. Looking for a home, not a hometown. Trying to find a way that you go now. Looking for a home, not a hometown. Trying to find a way that you go now. Yeah, looking for a home, not a hometown. Trying to find a way that you go now. Yeah, looking for a home, not a hometown. Trying to find a way that you go now. Yeah, looking for a home, not a hometown. Not a hometown, but a home. 'Cause I'm the only one who's looking out for me. At least that's how it seems sometimes. Oh, I think I'm losing my mind. Oh, I'm losing my mind. Oh, yeah, I'm losing my mind. Trying to find a way that you go now. Yeah, I'm looking for a home, not a hometown. Trying to find a way that I should go now. Yeah, I'm looking for a home, not a hometown. Not a hometown, but a home. Looking for a home, not a hometown. Trying to find a way that I should go now. Yeah, I'm looking for a home, not a hometown. Trying to find a way that I should go now. Yeah.